Top crypto news. Number 1, savings accounts on a decline. Americans gravitate towards crypto. According to a new study conducted by Morning Consult, a global business intelligence company, the United States population seems to alleviate from traditional means of saving, such as regular savings accounts, and is starting to lean towards digital assets. Brokerage accounts are still in the lead, though, with 31%. The study was conducted last December on 2,200 adult U.S. citizens. 57% of the asked citizens who held crypto were millennials. We can expect this support to further grow in 2022. Number 2, massive crypto whale abruptly moves over $1,900 million in Bitcoin for just $3.56 in transaction fees. One of the richest Bitcoin whales in existence is relocating nearly $2 billion worth of BTC while the crypto markets traded sideways over the weekend. Blockchain explorer Blockstream reveals that a massive Bitcoin whale shifted 44,979 BTC worth $1.9 billion to 2 wallets of unknown origins. Prior to the transfer, the wallet in question was the 12th wealthiest Bitcoin address. One transaction involved the movement of BTC from a crypto exchange to a custodial platform. Here's the summary of some of the largest BTC transactions in the last 24 hours. 1,000 BTC worth $42.50 million transferred from Bitfinex to Zoppo. 843 BTC worth $35.91 million transferred from Coinbase to wallet of unknown origins. 986 BTC worth $42.25 million transferred from wallet of unknown origins to Coinbase. 1,000 BTC worth $42.68 million transferred from wallet of unknown origins to Crypto.com. Number 3, crypto market back above $2 trillion as Bitcoin. Ethereum recover. Bitcoin has surged 4.7% in the last 24 hours, hitting an intraday high of $44,207 in the early hours on Tuesday, as the overall market recovered nearly $90 billion over the past 24 hours. As data from CoinGecko shows, the leading cryptocurrency is now up 14% over the last 2 weeks, helping the broader market recovery. Other major coins are on the rise as well. Crypto rebounds amid Canada news. The market is rebounding on the back of the controversial news of Canada's government decision to invoke the 1988 Emergency Act, the state's attempt to cut funding to truck drivers, called the Freedom Convoy, protesting against local COVID-19 restrictions. The illegal blockades have highlighted the fact that crowdfunding platforms and some of the payment service providers they use are not fully captured under the Proceeds of Crime and Terrorist Financing Act. The police will also be authorized to exchange information with banks about protesters, and their personal and business accounts may be frozen. Number 4, Warren Buffett invests $1 billion in Bitcoin-enabled Neobank, ditches Visa and Mastercard stocks. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has sold some of its Visa and Mastercard holdings and increased its exposure to Neobank, Brazil's largest fintech bank, also popular among Bitcoin investors in the country. Its return on said investment amounted to $150 million in December 2021 after Neobank entered the New York Stock Exchange, the second oldest stock exchange in Brazil. Thus, it appears that Neobank, which remains exposed to the emerging crypto sector through EasyInvest, could use the additional revenue opportunities to benefit its main investor, Warren Buffett, despite his view that Bitcoin is a rat's death. Number 5, Belarus president signs decree to support free circulation of crypto. Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko has signed a decree maintaining the rustic's formal improve of loose movement of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. The decree report in particular details the method and requirements for seizing cryptocurrency from criminals by means of the federal government. The announcement issues out that Belarus has taken a pleasant stance on cryptocurrencies. Belarus is constantly growing the felony box for regulating actions associated with virtual belongings, and, in contrast to many different states, permits loose movement of virtual currencies. In line with the report, Belarus Council of Ministers is needed to undertake suitable measures to implement the decree in 3 months following its e-newsletter. Up to now, Belarus' biggest monetary establishment, Belarus Bank, reportedly introduced a crypto alternate carrier, regardless of the Russian executive officially approving the idea that of crypto legislation closing week. The financial institution of Russia continues to oppose crypto adoption. Thank you for watching.